Disclaimer: for entertainment purposes only. The following narrative is a work of fiction and should be treated as such. Any references to specific events, social theories, or astrological concepts are used purely for fictional storytelling and are not intended as factual claims or predictions. The core structure is based on fictionalizing real-world events for the purposes of a graphic novel. Chapter 1. Securing the network against the monolith, the Hermit's Sanctuary on Old Cape Cod and the Colorado Loft. 3 months to disclosure. The Old Codger, the Scottish-born Indian-endorsed scholar, Shiny Baba, residing on Old Cape Cod, saw the universal disclosure event approaching in his Vedic charts. The great threat was not just a failing system, but the structure that would attempt to seize control in the aftermath. The monolith, the rising, centralized power attempting to crush all dissent. His first, most vital command to Sophia James was to prepare for an intellectual retreat to basics, building grassroots resilience. The directive, old school foundation, the Old Codger sent the order, making it clear they must drop the high-tech facade and return to fundamentals. The Old Codged text: when Rahu chokes the wire, the Akasha must still sing, build the path that has no center, forget the cloud, dig the well. When the monolith strikes, your foundation must be old stone, not glass. Sophia James, the steward of Group 7, understood the mandate. The army of kindness could not rely solely on digital defenses. They needed to create a system rooted in physical, local community action, a backup for the backup. The Akasha Project. Grassroots Redux, the Akasha Project was launched, but with a specific, old-school focus on non-digital permanence. The Codebreakers, physical key. The cryptic Vedic mantras and Druidic symbols were not just digital passwords. They were printed and distributed in physical packets within trusted local community networks, churches, food co-ops, libraries. These physical keys were the final layer of resilience, passed hand to hand like forbidden texts. Solar nodes, the local hub. The creation of the solar-powered communication nodes was slowed down. Instead, the focus shifted to identifying and equipping trusted, physical hubs, local community centers, certified organic farms, and independent libraries with long-range solar-powered radio gear. These were the true nodes, capable of broadcasting simple, essential information without relying on the internet. Mesh networking, simple code. The decentralized network code was made intentionally basic and easy to duplicate, ensuring that if the coders were compromised, any capable local amateur could rebuild the network from scratch using public domain components. The work was a tedious return to physical organizing, a silent, humble fight against the monolith's future digital seizure. The Old Codger had forced them to secure the network by building it on faith, paper, and sun-powered radio, the foundation of a truly free grassroots information system. The clock had begun. The digital flood was now a defensive shield built on old-school principles.